Okay, people, can we get started? Bob, your offer to give my clients their own reading lights is very generous and would be acceptable if they could read.
So, what if each party had its own sliding door?
We can live with that.
Wait a minute. My client isn't asking permission from a couple of 4-year-olds to use the door.
Can we get back to the main issue?
What is the main issue?
Power.
Oh, give me a break. We already give your client power windows, power mirrors, power door locks. What do you want?
You know what he wants, a V6. And he's ready to walk if he doesn't get one.
Okay, he gets a 6.
Yeah, but we still need our cargo space, Jack. You know she does the grocery shopping.
All right. Carla, we're going to need lunch in here.
The all-new V6 7-passenger something for everyone Honda Odyssey. It's one big happy minivan.